The fun in Kithine shrines, Nagashi Summon, lies in the interactive and refreshing experience. Catching noodles. Cold salmon noodles flow down a bamboo flume and catching noodles in chopstick. And you use chopsticks to catch them as they pass by. It's a fun challenge. The noodles are served cold, making it a perfect summer treat. Nagashi Summon is a traditional Japanese summer activity, offering a glimpse into cultural heritage. Overall, it's a fun, relaxing, and culturally rich experience that's perfect for hot summer days.